Oh my god, how in the world is this happening? It's supposed to sound his horn right now. The heck? Bruh. Told you I'd try and make more videos like this. Told ya. Try my best to make a different one. Not like this and the other one. Oh, by the way, like and subscribe. I would appreciate it. Bro, these train cars are so high right now. They're so tall that if I wanted to, I could jump onto one, but I'm not. They're going too fast. Oh, and standing right over there, I can feel... Whoa. That was short. But standing right over there, I could feel the air flowing through and under the things coming up onto my legs. How does that work? Well, it's been another YouTube video with Jonathan Reese.